an urgent message to your website, select Manage Website, add an urgent message to the website. You'll get a list of any messages that you've currently added, and you can select the blue plus if you do want to edit those, or you can select Add a new urgent message up at the top here. Just going to pop your title in. Put when you want that message to pop up, when you want the message to end, and what the message is. So you can save at the bottom if you want to keep that in your list of urgent messages, or if you want it to go live straight away, tick active and then press save. What will happen now is the first time that somebody visits your website after this, so if I just refresh this page, you'll see it will pop up this big black box. They have to then cross off this in order to view the rest of the website. It will only pop up the once. As soon as that person has seen that message, it won't pop up again throughout the website.